born at 3:15. It's now nearly 6. He's so pretty. Had a nice little bath. He's so calm and peaceful.
What is that? It's your baby brother. Can you take this, please? Yeah. Can you sit right? He's sleeping. Yeah.
His hat came off.
Do you want to put the...
What's happened on him?
What do you mean?
What's happened is he needs a blanket.
Oh, because
He's
he's
very
cold. You have a sweater on. Yeah. Oh, look, he's yawning. What do you say?
Take. Look at the baby.
Oh, I see him. Isn't he beautiful?
Yeah.
Do you know what his name is? Joshua
Joshua.
Daniel Book.
And to see
Okay, here, let's say, can you say cheese?
cheese.
Let me show you.
Just a real gentle kiss.
Do you have to take him?
Oh.
Look, you know I look at my baby. Look,
Beautiful. It's your brother.
Can you tell his name? Is he beautiful? Do you like him?
Let me see, is your tummy big?
Yeah.
Is it big? Is it more babies?
No, hopefully not. No.
Is it big far?
It takes time for it to get
It
small.
will get smaller and smaller and smaller now. Hopefully. Quick.